Hi student! Congratulations on finishing your one-on-one coaching with me. Again, this is Coach Princess. Ako yung nagturo sa'yo at nag-guide sa'yo kung paano mo magagawang ma-hit yung goal income mo at kung paano mo magagawang mag-succeed dito sa online business mo. As my student, I would like to congratulate you personally, for finishing it to the one-on-one coaching with me. So ngayon, mag-a-upgrade ka na. Sundan mong maigay yung bawat steps na ituturo ko sa'yo ngayon dahil dito mo na magagawang ma-access yung iyong back office. Okay, Unity Network back office is consisting of your sales commission, lahat ng products na meron si Unity Network, and of course, step-by-step guide kung paano mo magagawang mag-upgrade sa next level as a student of our community. So again, congratulations! Sundan mong maigay yung bawat steps na ituturo ko sa iyo ngayon, and welcome and see you inside. So, yung pinakaunang step na dapat mong gawin ay i-click yung link na sinend ko sa'yo sa baba. Okay, the Unity Network forgot password. Pero, hindi siya forgot password. Bibigyan lang kita ng access, temporary password na magagamit mo para makapasok ka sa loob ng Unity Network. So, ang gagawin mo, ay ilagay yung iyong existing email and active email na ginamit mo nung mag-subscribe ka at mag-enroll ka kay Unity Network. So, as of me, yung existing and accessible email and active email na ginamit ko sa pag-enroll sa Unity Network ay Get Success Online with Princess. So, yan yung dapat na email na gamitin ko para magawa kong ma-access si Unity Network back office. Remember guys, and take note, na nung nag-enroll ka sa app system or ATM system, binili mo yung online course na yon at doon ka lang nagkaroon ng access. At this point, kapag i-access mo na yung Unity Network back office mo, this means na magkakaroon ka na ng access sa buong kumpanya, ni Unity Network, kung saan dito mo makikita lahat-lahat ng produkto ni Unity Network, not just apps and ATM, but also the other products kagaya ng gold level, titanium, and platinum. Remember and take note also guys, na si apps and ATM ay isa lang sa mga online courses ni Unity Network. That is why ngayon, binibigyan kita ng access to actually access and have the full back office ni Unity Network as a student. Ngayon, makikita mo na meron ka ng pinadalang password, new password sa iyong email. So, ang gagawin mo lang ay pumunta sa email na yon para ma-access mo yung password at para ma-access mo yung iyong back office dahil yung password na yon ang kakailanganin mong gamitin para makapag-login ka kay Unity Network. Mapapansin mo na ngayon na meron akong na-receive na email with the title of support. Okay, Unity Network forgot password. I-click mo lang yan. And then makikita mo sa baba, yan, ito, yung PW, 18165918. Kopyahin mo yan, at isulat mo yan sa iyong notebook dahil yan yung password na kakailanganin mo mamaya. Okay, yan, copy. Okay, para magawa mong makapag-login dito sa Unity Network back office mo. So, simply click this highlighted link na HTTP. Okay, yan, yung HTTP, theunitynetwork.com. Okay, and then click open browser para mag-open ngayon yung link o website ni Unity Network. Okay, so ngayon, in this box, you either type your user ID, or your existing email. Okay, at sa baba nito, dyan mo naman itatype yung password na ginamit o sinend sa'yo ni support team. Okay? Ngayon na nag-open na yung website ni Unity Network, maaari mo nang i-type yung iyong existing email address sa portion na to at saka yung password na sinend sa'yo ni Support Unity Network. Okay, so tandaan mo na this portion, maaari mong gamitin yung iyong existing email or your user ID. Yung number na nag-uumpisa sa 15 and then series of numbers, okay? So again, you can use either your existing email or active email and your user ID na ginagamit mo as an affiliate with Unity Network, and then paste the password na sinend sa'yo ni support team. Okay, once na ma-type mo na yan, congratulations because you are now ready to access your back office. Simply click Login. Yan, mapapansin mo ngayon na nakapasok ka na sa loob ng iyong Unity Network back office. Okay, dito mo makikita yung traffic mo, okay, kung magkano na yung mga kinita mo, okay, with Unity Network, and then mapapansin mo na on the left side, nandyan yung simply click menu, and then go to products. And then you will see all of the products of Unity Network. That includes basic membership, gold level, titanium level, and platinum level. At dahil naka-position na ako sa lahat ng mga level na yan, mapapansin mo na walang mga button na upgrade. Okay? So ikaw, as of you, no, you are going to click upgrade now sa button na to. Okay? Not renew gold. You're going to click upgrade now. Okay? There you go. That's as simple as that. Okay? So, ang gagawin mo, when you click upgrade now, mapapansin mo na mapupunta ka sa login again. Okay? Step 2, you're going to log in again as a member. Lalagay mo yung iyong username dito, no, maaaring yung email mo o yung user ID mo, your password, and then you are going to choose the mode of payment na convenient para sa'yo. Okay? When you process this step, okay, ready ka na para bayaran yung 12,990 pesos, okay, every year. Now, here's the good news, guys. Ano? We used to pay gold membership before for 12,990 pesos per year. Now, dapat makahabol ka sa promo ni Unity Network because we want to help you guys to actually become real internet marketers by using the tools na meron si gold level. Okay, ngayon, mag-i-increase na siya to 19,990 pesos. Okay, yun nga lang, ang good news, magiging lifetime na siya, no? And the commission will be 3,000 pesos na. And another 3,000 pesos na maiipon sa matching bonus mo. Pero ang good news, eto, no? Napakagandang pa-bonus nito sa inyo, guys. Ngayon, 12,990 pesos pa rin siya, okay? Pero lifetime na. Kaya habol-habol na, guys, no? Dahil hindi natin alam kung kailan magi-increase ang price nito. Maaring bukas, maaring susunod na araw, hindi natin alam. So, there you go. So, ang kailangan mong gawin ay i-click yan, ano, I agree, and then click upgrade now. Okay? So, there you go. Ganun lang kasimple mag-upgrade. And if you want to upgrade to other levels, okay, para makapag-enroll ka na sa mga next studies natin and courses natin, no, to titanium level, it's the same procedure, okay? Now, the best thing is that mas mapapabilis yung process kung magpapatulong ka mag-guide sa iyong coach, okay? Dahil when you ask your coach to actually guide you step by step sa mga positioning levels such as gold, titanium, platinum, okay, para sa mga early positionings na yan, I highly recommend na kontakin mo yung coach mo and don't miss out. Again, guys, huwag kayong mag-a-upgrade, okay, nang hindi alam ng inyong mga coaches dahil hindi namin magagawang ma-unlock yung mga levels nyo and bonus coaching sa bawat levels na yan. For example, you upgraded to gold level, let your coach know and let them know that you upgraded to gold level and that request for the unlock of your bonus gold level coaching. If you upgraded to titanium level, inform your coach and let them know that you want your titanium level coaching to be unlocked as well. And then, ganun din sa platinum. I hope naturuan kita step by step on how you're going to access your back office, how you're going to upgrade step by step. Again, this is Coach Princess and see you at the top. Enjoy your courses!